Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I miss you so much. Guys, I will make a makeup tutorial today. We have an audience right here. Habang doon na camera na ba? Dali no. So guys, mag-makeup ko karon because later tonight I'm gonna be surprising someone. Surprising. He already knew. But yeah, I'm gonna prepare myself. Physically, mentally, emotionally. I will start with the Nivea Rosy White Hokkaido Rose Micellar Water. Habang doon sa camera ba? Ay. So you put it here and then you rub. Oh my god, you can see my pimples, guys. My face is a disaster because of stress and chicken. So it was because of the chicken, guys, and stress. Hindi ni maayo. Dagka na kaayo. Peklat do. Saan man ni? Okay, so excuse my missing nail. Taas mo kaya buhok guys. Pag mag-shampoo ito guys, isod kaayog yun na. Nga na isa diri ka tawo nga di mo sugot nga magupit og buhok. Ambot. Pili kustal siguro ni siya. Anyway, next we're gonna use SPF 30 day cream from Garnier Skin Naturals. This is just 20 baht from 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. Mag-on na camera na ba? Laka, nadaganan na po guys. Kuan niyo siya guys. Kanang a little goes a long way. Charot. This is lemon and yogurt, I think. Haba ba? Na ako'y taga-side comment diri guys. Grabe, number 1 gini siya mo comment sa akong video, kung sa akong outfit, kung unsa na akong istorya. Right, mabuto man tani atong kuko. Man ko nagtanaw. So, pwede na siya guys. So, mauna na siya. Next is, bang ko on the phone na ba? I'm gonna put on foundation. This is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover in the shade 101.5 Radio 101.5 Natural Ivory. So, shake. Doon na ba? So, kinabutang ako niya siya. Diri. You put it in your hands, at the back of your hands, and then you just make dots around your face. Ang mga bakas na kahapon na diha. Gana ba? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna prepare na? Are you watching me? Then, that's it. I'm gonna use a blender, a sponge to blend it. Not a blender. And then you just dab. Kanang, akoy! Ano yung mga bakas ng kahapon? Mga sa likod, nakatago. Anyway. Ubid. So, dab. Dito siya guys. You just dab. Like that. Joke. So, you just dab. Magsiriso ta guys kay. Taod na ko wala nakabuhat og makeup tutorial mo di na ko kabalubo. I think I don't know how to do it anymore. Chara. Haba, are you watching me? Haba, go away. Go. Shower na. If you don't show yourself, you shower na. So I will not be conscious here. So, ayaw mag-undang guys. Don't give up. Don't give up on blending. Sama sa gugma. I, what is give up? I ambot. Don't give up on me, baby. Dapat flawless na siya, guys. Before ta mag-move on. Heal. So you can move on. Haba ba? Kanta po na ba? So, ano siya, good. Actually, matte man siya, no? So, pwede lang, dili ka magbutang o powder. Pwede po magbutang, depende na sa preference. I'd rather put powder. So, I use this one. This is from Nichido Loose Powder. This is a local brand in the Philippines. And I still have it with me. So, ginaanan siya rin. Kuy! Amoy baby. Sana all amoy baby. Haba! Patay na akong audience guys. Napatay na. Naligsan siguro to guys. So ano siya guys. Powder lang to. Init ang panahon karon, so dapat mabutang tag powder. Dili ita dapat nagduwi-duwi. Kay dili bugnaw ang panahon diri sa Thailand. So sa powder guys, you also have to blend it very well. Kaya dili pwede kabang-kabang guys, kay di man ta bata guys no na nagkabang-kabang. Oh my god. Speaking of kabang, I have kabang. Wala kahumat ano eh. So, if it's done, I will proceed now to eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna use this one. The 020 Eye Essence palette. And sugar. It's more of a neutral tone. Browns and oranges. Tell me itong eyeshadow. Haba, are you watching? Don't watch anymore. Ambot. Or maybe this one. Just gonna use this one. This is from Colourpop. This is the You Had Me at Hello eyeshadow palette. So I think already eyeshadow yari. What is this? Okay. Haba. Don't give up on me, baby. Laasa naman po. Where is it? Well, it's not here man. Uy. Tamay. Why? Okay. Ala. Okay, before we start with our eyeshadow, kanang saan ako na akong area kay nagkayadaw siya. Nagkayadaw sila. Hangak lagi mag-makeup. I'm gonna put first a lip balm. This is from Nivea. Berry, I think. Yeah, I think. In berry. This is so good. It really moisturizes your lips. Ready na ako. Kahangak ka na ba ano? Okay. Hindi na ito magdugay kayo magpalit patag ice. Ice o tubig. Tubig. So I'm gonna put basta. Tanawa na lang ninyo guys. Basta mauna siyang color. You put it on the lid. This is the lid. Tanawa na takabalo sa pangalan. Sa mga terminologies. Kikalawang na itong abilidad. Oh my god. It went overboard. Haba? What are you doing na? Okay. So I finally decided to just use this palette from Colourpop because Wala lang. Nagbago lang ako muna. Next is this one. Haba. So, sa eyeshadow, maorag hapon guys, blend. Blending is the key. You gotta blend. Okay. Next is, Couture. Use this one from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Confirm. So pagkiri pababa, and then you just gotta blend it. Then what are you doing now? Are you finished? Huh? Sus, drama mo. You already finished doing it the last time. Why did it brew fast? Let me see. Going on. So you put also contour here on the bridge of your nose. Guys, kanang. Kaya bitaw sa Thailand kay barato lang ang magpainom. I don't think barato. I think it's the same. It's just that because it's in baht, because it's barato. But if you're gonna go to a prestige hospital, I think it's the same. So it's gonna be like that. You start from here, you go down, and then you have to blend it. Blending is the key. Agoy, you know. Oh, harsh ba ni? So kung harsh na siya guys, pasensyahan na. Charot. Kung harsh siya guys, you have to blend it more. Pasensyahan nyo na. You have to blend it more. Okay, naunsa naman ni. Nagpalit naman utak ko guys pa. Samok. So yeah. Next is blush on. We're gonna use this one. I haven't used this. This is from Milani Cosmetics. Queen, my friend, gave me this one. This is so nice. I'm sure kung expired na ni guys. So long as di siya katul. Nabarn. Because it's really good. Oh my gosh. I think it melted. It's like that. It has like gold something. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And then you just put the blush. Voila. Cool. So, siya klaro no. What I do is dili klaro. Istorya. Charot. Dungagan. Aron maklaro. Ano siya guys. This one is from Everbelena. Milkweed. A glitter blush also. The good thing about glitter blush is that you don't need to put highlighter. But if you want to be extra, you can. Go ahead. This is my highlighter from Focalure. You put it here on the basta dira. Nakalimut na ko sa mga terminologies sa life. So, there you go. As you can see, it's shining, shimmering, splendid. So next is later I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna use a lip tint. Aroy. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna put eyebrow because I feel like it's too hot to complete everything. So I'm just gonna brush it like that. And then what I do is, this is my old mascara from Maybelline. It thickened already. So what I use is like this. Both shots. I make it as a brow hair something. You know what I mean. You get it. Next is mascara. No, I want to put eyeliner. Ay, never mind. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna put mascara. So you curl first your mascara, your lashes. Others do the other way around. So, ouch. So as you can see, even if I didn't put yet any mascara, it already curled because I already put on mascara this morning. I just washed my face, so it's kind of still there. But if you want to be extra, you can put it again. Why not? And let's do it. Okay. Okay, effort mo na to. Ato na lahos. Lahoson na nato ni guys. So, ano siya? You put mascara. Like that. Okay. And then muna. Wala naman ko Evian water spray, so but I like to put it so it will make my makeup stick together. So I just erased the lip balm and then I go on with my lip tint. This one is just a brand here in Thailand. It's just cheap. It's adobo. Charot. Odbo ba oy? Weird man sila mga terminologies diri ko doy. But it's so red. It's agoy agitan ang ragod oh. Marag siya. It's bloody red. Literally. Okay. See that? Ay daambot. It's a water tint, guys. So it's just fresh on your lips. Bigla red. Alaka. Di siya papil. Freshy lip tint. It's like that. Alaka, grabe ka red. Charot. So, ano siya guys? Finish na. Dili na ito magdugay kay 30 minutos na magpalit rata guys. Okay. So, it's done. That's it. I hope you get something from this. So, maunang to guys. Babush. Bye-bye na.